Good afternoon, everyone. It's Francis. We're here at the observatory because I have, little things to do. Let's take a look at what I do have to do. I have to come back and correct some of this here. I have to finish up this little touch of trim. I'm going to come back with some grays. You'll see inside there I'm going to fix this. There's some places where the tape is pulled away, some of the paint under here I have to fix, and I have to get to it. And in here you'll see we're working in here as well, bringing it all to a conclusion. I'll show you now that the control room has its desk. All the cabling is hooked up, power, coaxials, our communication network is hooked up, and now the desk is in place. I worked on some of it this weekend. This is Tuesday, and I have to come in and do a little bit more work and clean up this area because all the other rooms are very, very sharp looking now, very, very sharp. Everything is trimmed up nice. Inside the dome. So, I'm gonna get to work. Let me tell you that, hey, how you doing? That this afternoon, 2 to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on American Freedom Radio is Cosmic Obsession Nightlife Show, which is all about astronomy. And today's show is going to go back to the parallax of Eros 433, which we partook in just recently because there's more work that needs to be done. Apparently, the information, which would include, because I did one submission, when actually I took 5 images, I'm going to submit the other 4 images to the project and potentially take some more pictures, but we're going to hear from Michael Richmond, the second hour of today's Cosmic Obsession Nightlife on American Freedom Radio, and he's going to tell me, as an amateur astronomer, what I did right, what I did wrong, what I can still do to help find the right solution. What we're talking about is measuring the distance from Earth to the asteroid, and then through that parallax measurement they can use that to measure distances to the sun, and a lot of the parallax was to measure the distance of the solar system, measure the distance of the objects in between the objects of the solar system, including the 93 million miles to the sun, not the Earth is. And so taking those measurements, the parallax of a known object, can give us information that's going to improve those readings. And so Mr. Michael Richmond is going to be on air with me for the second hour today on American Freedom Radio. So it'll be from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today, and not very many hours. And I need